Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Prof. We are from Group 3 and today we will be presenting our group project assignment for this subject. Our topic is Global Disruption and Risk Management, which focus on how global events such as geopolitical tensions, pandemic and natural disaster impact supply chains and how business can effectively manage these risks. So without further ado, let's begin our presentation. My name is Wani Emilia Izzati Tintiwan Mahdi. My matric number is 822800143. So now I will present an executive summary from the report that we made. Global supply chains have faced major disruption due to events like the Russia-Ukraine war, tension between the US and China, and growing instability around Taiwan. These conflicts have disturbed trade routes, raised logistic costs, and caused critical shortage, particularly in food, energy, and semiconductors. In addition to geopolitical risks, natural disaster and pandemic have added more pressure. The 2023 earthquake in Turkey and the COVID-19 pandemic revealed just how fragile our current supply chains really are. One of the just main issue is our heavy reliance on just-in-time systems. While this saves costs, they lack flexibility during crisis. Many companies found themselves unprepared, lacking the resilience to respond quickly. So, what's the solution? The focus is now shifting towards building more reliable and agile logistic networks. Companies are starting to invest in infrastructure improvements, diversify their vendors, and maintain stockpiles of critical supplies. Technology also plays a key role here. Tools like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things help business monitor and forecast supply chain risks in real time, allowing quicker response and better planning. In short, we are seeing a major shift from an efficiency-driven mindset to one that prioritizes resilience and long-term stability in the face of a more unpredictable global economy. Next slide, I will briefly explain the introduction for global disruption and risk management. First, global supply chains are important in moving goods, service, and information across the countries. However, this interconnectivity also can increase risk exposure when the crisis happen. Geopolitical tensions such as the Russia-Ukraine war and US-China trade conflicts have disrupted major trade routes, raised logistic costs, and created uncertainty in trade policies. For example, the Russia-Ukraine conflict impacted the global supply of wheat and crude oil, which then caused food shortage and the higher energy prices worldwide. To adapt, many companies start to using China plus one strategy to avoid depending too much on just one country for supplies. Other than that, the COVID-19 pandemic forced global factory shutdowns, created the labor shortage and delayed shipping, especially in electronic and healthcare industry. Natural disasters like the 2023 Turkey earthquake also caused textile factory closure, which disrupted global order flows. All of these events show that just-in-time supply models are too fragile during the crisis. Because of this, businesses are now shifting towards building buffer inventories and developing more responsive sourcing strategy to reduce risk. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rahman Hakim bin Muhammad Rosdi and my matric number is 822800622. So I will present about geopolitical tension. Geopolitical tensions such as wars, trade conflict, and sanctions have become major threats to global supply chains. For example, the Russia-Ukraine war disrupted export of wheat, oil, and fertilizers, caused food shortage and rising prices in many parts of Africa and Asia. Meanwhile, the US-China trade war forced companies to move some of their production to other countries like Vietnam and India. This is known as the China plus one strategy, which had reduced reliance on a single country. Tension in Taiwan also raised serious concern as Taiwan produces over 16% of the world's semiconductors. Any conflict could cause a global chip shortage. That's why companies like Apple and Intel are building new factories in other regions. To manage this risk, businesses now use technologies like AI, IoT, and big data to monitor global events in real time. Governments are also stepping in by secure supplies of essential goods and coordinating logistic efforts. In short, geopolitical risks affect everyone. Building a flexible and resilient supply chain is now critical for global stability and business survival. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you, Prof.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Amin bin Anwar alias Abdul Hamid. My matching number is 22B0011. So, I will explain about pandemic and natural disaster. Pandemic and natural disaster can seriously disrupt global supply chain. The COVID-19 pandemic caused factory shutdown, labor shortage and shipping delay, leading to shortage of PPE, ventilators and semiconductor chip. Many companies relied on just-in-time system which failed during the crisis. As a result, business has to rethink the supplier strategy to become more flexible and resilient. Natural disasters like earthquakes and flood also create big problem, especially if key suppliers are affected area. Damage to factory road and power can stop production. Company that rely on one supplier in a risk location may face major delay. This shows the need for better risk planning and suppliers avoid. Real world explain COVID-19 and automotive industry. During COVID-19, car makers like Ford and Toyota faced chip shortage. Chip makers focused on electronic due to high demand, leaving automakers without any supplier. This led to factory close and finance loss. Companies that move to keep more inventory use more supplier and search part close to home. Secondly is 2023 Turkey earthquakes and the textile industry. Earthquakes in South Turkey damaged many textile factories. Some global brands cancelled orders, which other support suppliers. This case shows the importance of knowing supplier location and building strong long-term partnership.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Amira binti Sata and my normal matric is A22A0525 and today I will talk about development of resilient logistic networks. In recent years, the logistics industry has faced significant disruption due to global events like geopolitical tension, pandemic, and natural disaster. These challenges highlight the need for resilient logistic networks that can predict, react, and recover from unexpected disruption. A resilient logistic network relies on three key factors: strong infrastructure, flexible supply chain design, and advanced technology. For instance, Japan responded to the 2011 Pearl Harbor earthquake served as a prime example of resilient inaction. Despite the devastation, Japan's logistic network quickly recovered due to the disaster-resistant infrastructure and well-planned recovery strategies. Similarly, technologies like AI, IoT, and blockchain play a crucial role in enhancing resilience by offering real-time tracking, predictive analysis, and automation. To build resilient network, companies must focus on risk assessment, collaboration with key stakeholders, and leveraging new technologies. In conclusion, resilient logistic networks are essential for businesses to thrive in an unpredictable world, ensuring continuity even during global disruption. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Rafina Abdul-Gaha. My mention number is A22A0720 and today I want to talk about the recommendation. First, business should focus on creating resilient logistic network. This means investing in reliable infrastructure like transportation system, warehouse and communication channel that can absorb shock from places like political instability or natural disaster. A key strategy here is flexible shipping route, which allow companies to adapt quickly if trade routes are disrupted. Additionally, overstock of critical goods such as electronic or pharmaceuticals can help ensure that operation continues smoothly even when they are delayed at port or borders. Next, the use of advanced technology is essential of enhancing logistic resilience. Artificial intelligence, which is AI, can predict disruption by analyzing market trends and geopolitical events, allowing businesses to take proactive steps. Blockchain technology ensures transparency and secure movement of goods even in uncertain conditions, and Internet of Things, which is IoT, device provide real-time tracking of inventory, helping companies quickly address problems, reducing delay and improving efficiency. And last is strategic stockpiling plays a critical role. Maintaining reserve of essential material ensure that companies can continue operation during crises. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, businesses that had stockpiled goods were better able to meet market demand. By developing resilient network, leveraging advanced technology and maintaining strategic stockpiles, businesses can reduce delay and adapt swiftly to disruption, ensure stability and continuity in their operation. And that is the conclusion. In recent years, disruptions like the Russia-Ukraine conflict, COVID-19, and the 2023 Turkey earthquake have exposed weaknesses in global supply chain. To address this, businesses must build resilient logistics system by diversifying their supply base and reducing reliance on single supplier origins. Incorporating technology like AI, IoT, and blockchain can provide real-time insight, allowing companies to respond swiftly and minimize delay. Investing in infrastructure, including reliable transportation and communication network, is also key to absorbing disruption. By combining diversification, technology, and strong infrastructure, businesses can ensure stability and continuity even in uncertain times. That's it from me. Thank you.